My microwave has been resting on this chair for quite some time now, and I did buy a table in the weekend from IKEA. Just haven't built it yet. So this is bought in IKEA, as I said. It's called Fjällbo. Right there. Fjällbo. I think this will be better. Huge table. Right. This is how it's done. Step 1. Success. No, not already. Please, no. What? Man, no. No, why? Wait, no. We can save this, guys. Okay, we can flip it around. Alright, so you want me to put it down on the ground. Look at this so far, guys. We're making progress. Actual fucking progress. Progress. Guys, we're about to see some actual progress now. Look at this. Turning into something. What's up, Luca? Dude, that is the funniest thing to do when you do the IQ, man.
Run.
Yeah, but it's still been 374 hours since you started this. Okay, Des. Okay. I think this was the one that we were looking at, this picture earlier. There. Well, okay, can someone explain what would this actually do of difference for anything? This would do zero difference. This little piece of shit here. Can someone tell me, will the whole table just crash if I don't put it in? I fucking doubt it. Fuck me. Softly. Like he is already fucking roughly. You know what? Nobody needs this thing, right? Who the fuck needs this shit on it, okay? Who needs that anyway? No one saw that? Yeah, nobody saw what happened there, guys. 13.5 hours it took, according to Des, to build the table. It was hard. It was pain. It was awful. It was IKEA. But now, we are at the moment The moment of truth. Accurate numbers, nutters. It took more time than I was expecting, and I need to get up in 6 hours. And it's gonna be awful. Moment of truth. Will it stay up? We're gonna have to see, Leanne. Just a second. When the music has built up even more tension. Because this, guys, is one of the greatest moments you will ever see a table building stream. Everybody who has built IKEA before know how awful it is. 2 hours well spent. I was lacking content, and IKEA was right there. And they told me, build, Hilpa. You're out of content as always. And they were right. Oh shit. This is hard. This is the hardest part. I swear to God, if it doesn't fit, I'm gonna fucking cry myself into sleep tonight. Oh my fucking God. It is actually just fitting. Oh my goodness. I swear to God, not even my small pee-pee could have been in between and then it wouldn't have fitted. Holy shit. I'm back up. We did it, guys. GG's. We were able to build the whole table in one go. And I didn't even throw the table out the window. He will find your hiding spot. I know exactly where you are, guys. Don't ever make me do that again.